Remember the buzz around the looks of the new Tata Nexon and the Harrier when they were about to be launched? Well, if you recollect, it was actually the Curvv concept that brought in the new design philosophy when it was first showcased in 2022, then again at the Auto Expo 2023, with the most recent appearance being in the Bharat Mobility Expo. Now it's time for the Tata Curvv to make its market launch, and in its production form. The Tata Curvv will be launched on the 7th of August. So if you are planning on buying the Curvv, stick around till the end as we tell you about its features, expected powertrain, rivals and our estimated prices. But before that, do subscribe to CarWale and click on that bell icon to stay notified each time we put out a new video. Also, we are on social media, so do follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Threads. Now let's get to the most exciting part of the Curvv, that is the design. Firstly, it will get the family look from the Nexon and Harrier with connected DRLs that will flow into the split headlamps, and then you also have the stylish connected tail lamps. Not to forget, the Curvv will ride on 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. Now getting to the main attraction of the Curvv, that is the sloping roofline. It's first in the segment and is derived from much more premium cars such as the Volvo C40 Recharge, the BMW X6 or even the GLC Coupe. As for the dimensions, the Curvv will have a wheelbase which will be 62 mm more than the Nexon and also an added length of 313 mm more. Inside the cabin of the Curvv, you will feel a sense of similarity. The cabin, which once felt very new with the concept, will now feel heavily inspired by the Nexon and the Harrier. We are talking about a larger touchscreen infotainment system, a fully digital instrument cluster, a touch-based aircon panel, a sporty 2-spoke steering wheel and a 360-degree surround camera. But wait, there's more. Since the Curvv slots above the Nexon, it will also get more premium features. It will get a panoramic sunroof, a blind spot monitor and even ADAS tech with collision warnings and rear cross traffic alert. Being a Tata, one can expect the Curvv to come loaded with safety features. This will include 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, ESC and even a tire pressure monitoring system. And just like other Tatas that have been recently tested for Bharat NCAP, we expect the Curvv, just like the Nexon EV, Harrier and Safari, to have a good overall safety rating. Now we'll first start with the battery pack and specifications of the Curvv EV. Why? Because the EV will be launched before its ICE version. And as per exclusive sources, the Curvv will be offered in 2 battery pack options of up to 55 kWh. It will have claimed range of up to 500 to 550 km on a single charge. The ICE version of the Curvv will be offered with 2 engine options, the 1.2 litre petrol and the 1.5 litre turbo diesel engine. Both these powertrains will be retuned to produce more power, and of course it will be offered with both manual and automatic gearboxes. The Curvv brings a fresh perspective to the fierce SUV segment with its unique coupe design, and this will be soon followed by Citroës Passat that will also sport a coupe-like body style. In terms of competition, the Tata Curvv will slot between the Nexon and the Harrier in Tata's lineup, and in the broader market, it will rival the established players such as the Hyundai Creta, Kia Seltos, Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara, Toyota Hyryder, MG Aster, Honda Elevate, Skoda Kodiaq and the Volkswagen Tiguan. But here's the twist, the Curvv EV will take on the MG ZS EV and in the future the Creta EV and the Maruti EVX. The Curvv EV is expected to be priced between 18 lakh and rupees 24 lakh. The ICE version is expected to be slightly more affordable, ranging from rupees 15 lakh to 20 lakh rupees. So there you have it, the Tata Curvv. If you're looking for a stylish, feature-rich SUV with a sporty twist, then the Tata Curvv might just be your perfect match.